Now today we have come to a place called Burnbanks on the shores of Haweswater, and we're going to try and walk around Haweswater. Approaching our first gate, and big decisions to be made here. Haweswater, up we go. Up this path, and then we'll go left obviously. Then we pick up the path here. We'll get out of this gate, go left. So now we've picked up the path and we're heading forwards. Waiting on our first view of Haweswater. We haven't really done a lake walk.
No.
So this is one of the reasons why we're doing this. It's the first time we've done a full lake walk. Some nice hills here. So let's keep moving forward. Side by side.
Side by side once again.
Andrew's wearing some fetching new clothes today.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. Not quite. There's a good view of the dam now. Looks like there's a cairn up there. We'll look at the map later. Work out which ones are which. But I'm sure up there you get staggering views. Taking a wee look back at the dam. And then forward. What's in front of us? There's the lovely Andrea. Andrea has just announced we've done our first mile. 9 to go. We're moving forward now. There's a gate ahead of us, making excellent progress.
Watch you don't trip.
We're hoping today is the day that we see a red squirrel. We saw plenty of signs for them. People tell us they're there. We ain't seen them. What have we seen so far? We've seen one pheasant and a big heron, and that's it.
A couple of rabbits.
Oh, a couple of rabbits, yes. Yeah, gosh. Here's where we are, Andrew. We are here.
So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 miles.
That's what it said in the book. Andrew didn't believe me. She does now. That's a magnificent view, isn't it? That's lovely, Andrew.
It is.
Just get a great vista off the back of all that. Moving forward. Oh, there's the water running. Oh, I thought we were going to have to swim across. The water's very, very clear. Well, now we have the complete view of the whole reservoir. It's pretty. It is vast. Big hills at the back. We've met quite a few people on this path already, and we had read that we would probably be the only ones up here, but that's not the case. Not today. Not today. We've just met 5 people there. Oh, wasn't that lovely? Spectacular. We have some intruders on our path, and they just go with us. So after the escapade with the sheep, we're now going downhill. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. We've seen quite a few of these markers on the way around. I don't know what they're about, but I'll find out. I will find out. Gosh, this is great. Look, we've almost done 3 miles now, so we're going good. That's almost a third of the way through. We've just come around to this bit, and there's that house we've seen in the distance. I'll just scan into it. It's a lovely vista there. Lovely. Wow. Whew. What a view. What a view. And there's Andrea. Going good, Andrea?
Oh, not bad.
We're rightly round now, but
Well,
it's funny how we've met so many people today, but they're all going the other way. Yet I read that this was the right way to do it anti-clockwise. So somebody's wrong. This bit's almost like a terrace walk. It's lovely. It's lovely. Just zoom round. A little narrow path here, which adds to the. Yep. We're getting there. Now, a little bit of a downhiller now, and we've got a couple of people ahead of us going the same way as us. Unbelievable. Andrea's really going good. We have a bridge. Wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. Some nice flowing water there. Got some very craggy rocks up here now. We're back inside this wall. And we're marching on. We're meeting another guy here. We're sort of alone in our thoughts there. Oh dear.
so you're watching where you're going?
Yeah, the rocks are a wee bit tricky. Andrea's just found a lovely little rock to rest on.
Any better?
Nope, the view couldn't be any better. Indeed.
We always say that. This is a wee bit like a tarn up on
Yeah,
among the mountains.
except it's just so big. I'm really multitasking now because I'm descending, filming, and holding 2 apples in one hand. Now that's multitasking.
Thank you.
Look how peaceful it is down here. Absolutely lovely.
very quiet.
Yeah. Dead calm. Eerily quiet, isn't it? Yeah. There's our wee path down. We sat up there. Yes. And now we've got to go around the back here. And now we get a great view up a valley here. Wonderful. Wow. Yep. Another little cascade coming down the hill. Moving forward, there's two people ahead of us, Andre. Yeah, that's a horseshoe. It's lovely. I'll study this later. Absolutely gorgeous. How you do that? It's almost like there's stones either side of the path, marking out the way you should walk. Wonder how old they are. Look at that, that's lovely. Reminds me of Canada a wee bit.
It's about 5 miles now, so I'd say we're halfway.
Alright, say over. That's another great view behind you, Andre. Keep coming, keep coming. Mountains, bluebells. Reservoir. Well, we thought we'd reached the end of the lake, but we hadn't. So, but we see a car park over there, or where cars are parked, and that's our turn. And we'll have a breather there, and then we'll hit the road, Jack. Time I got in the shot. And we'll come into view in a minute. I've loved this walk. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm not looking forward to the road though. But don't tell Andre.
You're funny.
There's where she's going. And there's this valley, another valley. I've got to research this. Now, can't you do it? And stay dry. Oh. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Ah, oh, well done, Andre. Here's where we are now. Golden Eagle. No longer occupied.
Oh.
The viewpoint is closed. Riggindale's resident last seen 2015. There's no golden eagles now, Andrea.
No.
But there's you.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh!
6 mile.
6 mile marker.
Yeah, so
Excellent.
we're doing okay, and it's 2:46 minutes.
Ooh. Ooh. We're now on the road, and I think on the road we'll make good time. We're getting on great here walking. Andrea's fighting the midges. There's the view back where we've walked. We're going good. Well, the midges have won.
Beggars beat me.
The midges have won, and Andrea has decided Time to cover up.
Yep.
Yep, 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 yep. Squiggly bends in the road, Andrea. Need to be careful here. Yo.
I don't think I'm going that fast now.
You don't?
No.
I think you're doing rightly.
Yeah.
I think the sun's coming out again, Andrea.
Yep.
Walking on the road. Is this the road to nowhere?
I don't know.
I think it's the road back to the car.
Go.
I got my stick back now and I'm feeling good.
Balanced now.
I'm feeling good. I feel good. More bluebells, more bluebells. We love the bluebells. We were playing I Spy there and Andrea's first one was P for bluebells. We saw this place from the other side. It's looking like a hotel to me. So there's what it is. It's the Haweswater Hotel, no less.
Is it that some water?
We've just spotted the dam wall. And that's not a swear word. It's actually the dam wall. And we're quite happy about that now. Well, Andrew's still walking well. Our feet are a wee bit sore. We think that's a sock problem. But we will investigate later. Yeah, well, I have no intentions of swimming today. There's the dam. Dun, 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 dun. No, that's the dam busters, sorry. There's what it looks like from this side. Quite a construction. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Quite a construction. There's more here than at Rannerdale.
There is actually.
Most people don't know about this one. There it is. Aragon, the Hobbit Trail. This walk follows a third of a mile, mainly mown paths and bridges through this piece of uniquely privately owned riverside woodland, visiting waterfalls, river pools, woodland lanes. Blah 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 blah. There's two fine people in there.